Welcome to this maintenance video about the Adventurer 4, the 3D printer. Today we're going to have a look at how to clean broken filament out of the filament feeding tube, which is that white tube that feeds the filament into the printer head. Sometimes it breaks off and it gets stuck in there and then you can't print. So let's clean out the possible broken piece. To start off by opening the door to get the to the filament section, and then you have to get to the filament feeder. There's two screws just there, so you have to undo both of those two screws. When both screws have come loose, that filament feeding component will come a little bit loose, but it is connected with wires, so don't pull it out completely. It can just rest there like that whilst you put the screws somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Okay, you want to remove the filament feeding tube, so this white tube, we want to remove it from the print head, and to do that, just press down on that the copper top of the print head and then pull up on that filament feeding tube. And we're going to release the tube because we need to see the end of that tube, because that's where our new filament is going to come out to make sure we've cleaned it properly. So let's go back to the side of the printer. Now we're taking some of our filament. There's a section here that we need to squeeze. If you don't squeeze it, you can't feed anything through. It's quite a firm amount of pressure that you've got to put on there. But just make sure you're squeezing that as we feed the new filament that we're using for cleaning up underneath that section. So right where that black arrow is, you're going to feed the new filament that we're using to unblock the tube. You're going to feed it all the way up whilst you're squeezing that little spring. If you let it go, all it does is it just locks. It locks and you can't do it. So we'll keep feeding that filament all the way up until we see it coming through the feeding tube. You can see it's now coming through. And if there are any pieces that are blocked or broken off, that will have now pushed out all of those old broken pieces. So once that filament's come through, we know the filament feeding tube is clean, and we can reassemble everything knowing that the print is going to be just fine. So remove that filament that you've just used. Put that filament feeding device back in place. Pop the screws back in, and then you should be done.